Is known for putting its brand on everything. Its latest product launch at the 2026 Values Conference is not a home gadget or flagship phone, it's an ice cream. True to its tech root, Xiaomi Cafeteria is offering the new treat in three new familiar tiers: Standard, Pro, and Max. The Standard edition gives you a base ice cream for a highly competitive 5.99 yuan, which is 0.88 cents. Stepping up to the Pro, you get it for 6.99 yuan, which is $1.02. Adding a single cookie to the mix. Finally, for power user with a sweet tooth, you get the Max option, which is 8.99 yuan or $1.32, maxing out the specs with the three cookies. Chef Bing from Xiaomi's cafeteria developed the ice cream recipe. Xiaomi said Bing drew inspiration from tofu ice cream and created a product by experimenting with millets, a key ingredient in Xiaomi's branding. After three iterations, he perfected the process. The method started with steaming millets, transforming into a paste blended in milk and filled with millet grains topping. Xiaomi says the recipe solves a challenge of giving millet a stronger flavor. Photos showed the ice cream machine used in the cafeteria with branding from Mengyo, a well-known Chinese dairy company, suggesting a collaborative effort. Xiaomi has operated its cafeteria in-house since 2015, with all chefs and staff serving a direct employees who receive standard company benefits. The launch of this ice cream trended on social media.